Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some really important and helpful tips on how to speed up the drying time of your oil paint. And not just using mediums can be very helpful in speeding up the drying time. I'm even going to include a segment on how to speed it up once your painting is complete and you just want that painting to dry. You might be getting ready for a show. You might have a commission that you really want to deliver to your client. There's many reasons that we may want our oil painting to speed up in the drying time. The first obvious choice, for me anyway, is to use a medium that speeds up the drying time, such as the Alkyd Light. There's many products. There's also a Walnut Alkyd medium, which I use quite a bit, or you can use Liquin. And there's also some solvent-free, non-toxic mediums that will speed up the drying time. All of them are very effective, and I do use them quite often myself. And if you want to check out videos on this subject, I have a few on my channel that go more into detail about this. There's other ways you can speed up the drying time, and that is by placing your painting into a dry, warm environment. And I'm not suggesting putting it in the oven, not at all. But what I am suggesting is putting it into a container of sorts so that you can keep the dust and the particulate matter that is oftentimes in the air from settling onto the wet oil paint. So I'm going to choose a warm environment to place my wet oil painting, and this is going to be my car. So I'm placing the painting inside a box, and this will protect it from any dust or particulate matter. And I made a spacer out of some extra cardboard, and I'm going to place that right in the box, and this will prevent the top from coming down onto the painting. I know it's unlikely that would happen, but gosh, why not be safe? And this is a great way to speed up the drying time, and I will park my car in a very sunny location. And a box with a lid also works really well, especially for smaller paintings. This protects it from any dust settling onto the wet oil paint. Another way is to paint in thin layers. These layers will dry more quickly and allow you to go back in with the next layer of paint. You also have the option of choosing fast-drying mediums. A lot of the earth tones, such as burnt umber and even Prussian blue, they actually do dry very, very fast. Another way I've used in the wintertime is when our fireplace is going and we have a gas fireplace with blowers. I will set the painting about 5 feet away from the fireplace. The painting will oftentimes be dry overnight, and I didn't use any fast drying mediums. So that's another really good way. But just keep in mind, you can paint in thin layers. That will speed up the drying time. You can use a Alkyd or Alkyd type medium, or place it in a warm, dry room away from direct sunlight. Do not put it in a cold, damp environment. That will slow down the drying time. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I hope you'll give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here next time. Thank you, everyone. Bye.